Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture we will learn about functions in PHP. A function is a piece of code which takes one or more input in the form of parameters and does some processing and returns a value. You already have seen many functions like print. A function is a block of statements that can be used repeatedly in a program. A function will not execute immediately when a page loads. A function will be executed by a call to the function. So let's start. Create a new file, function.php. Let's create a new function, function stars. And here we will first create a loop for $i is equals to 1 and $i less than equals to 10 and $i plus plus. So the initialization condition and the counter or increment. Let's create another loop for $j is equals to 1, $j less than equals to $i and $j plus plus, and let's print this multiply sign, press Alt key and press 0215 and release the Alt key. You will get this sign. And after this loop we will break the line. Let's call this function stars. And here you can see that the loop is infinite. Let's stop this. And it is because I forgot to add less than symbol here. Save this and reload, and here you can see that these are the stars. And we can provide arguments, input arguments like this, start and then and two arguments, and copy this start and we will place this start instead of this one, and we copy this and we will place this and variable instead of 10, and in the stars let's pass 1, 6, and here you can see that 1 to 6, and if we change the value 6 to 16, and here is the result. So that's how a function works. Let's create another function, function max val, and the two arguments num1, num2. Let's check this by if statement. If num1 is greater than num2, then return num1, else return num2. And here take a variable. Let's create a variable maxval, and we call the method maxval 5, 10, and let's change this variable name to val. And here the max number is, and concate the variable val. So here the max val, we will not use dollar here because it is not a variable, it's a method. So here is the result, max number is 10. If we change this 5 to 15, then the max number is 15. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comments section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.